DLED Final Exam Suggestion Subject English Session 2023-24 প্রথমে আমরা এখানে 2 মার্কসের প্রশ্নগুলি নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। Question number 1, what is first language, second language and foreign language? Question number 2, what is bilingualism and multilingualism? Question number 3, write difference between bilingualism and multilingualism. Question number 4, write any 4 objectives of teaching English. Write 4 difference between first language, second language and foreign language. Question number 6, what is language acquisition and language learning? Write difference between language acquisition and language learning. Question number 8, why English called library language? Question number 9, why English described as a link language? Question number 4, write any 4 objectives of teaching and learning English at the primary level. What are the receptive skill and productive skill? Question number 12, what 4 basic skill for developing language learning? What are the aim of teaching reading? What are the aim of teaching English? Question number 15, what is free writing? Question number 16, what is approach, method and technique? Write difference between approach, method and technique. Question number 18, what is grammar translation method? Question number 19, what is CLT? Question number 20, what is task based language teaching method? এখানে বলে রাখা ভালো প্রত্যেকটা মেথড, টেকনিক অ্যান্ড অ্যাপ্রোচের মেরিটসগুলো খুব ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট। What is task and activity? Write any 2 difference of them. Write any 2 characteristics of cooperative language learning. What is eclectic method? What are the 5 principles given by William Moulton? What is called CLIL method? Question number 26, what is TLM? Write any 2 difference between listening and hearing. Question number 29, write the role of language laboratory in language learning classroom. What is realia? What is scaffolding? What is phrasal verb? What is phonetics? What is World Magazine? Write 2 importance of World Magazine. What is achievement test? What is components? এরপর 7 নম্বরের প্রশ্নের সাজেশন। What is role of textbooks in language classroom? Describe English as a link language for national and international communication. Third question, write a brief note on language integrated teaching in multilingual and multicultural context of West Bengal. Discuss about any 2 strategies is required for developing speaking skill. Write 2 features of situation language teaching. What is audiolingual method of teaching English at elementary level? Discuss 2 strategies that may be used to develop listening skills of elementary level students. মানে লিসনিং স্কিলের বদলে বাকি 3টি মধ্যেও যে কোনো একটি আসতে পারে। Discuss the aim and objectives of teaching English at elementary level in West Bengal as per the NCEP 2005. Question number 8, what is child-centric method? Write any 2 principles and factors of child-centric method. Question number 9, write a note on structural approach in language teaching. Question number 10, how did task-based language teaching method help to developing language skill? Write a note on grammar translation method. Write a note on communicative language teaching. Write a brief note on structural approach and mention the merits and demerits of this approach. Write a note on English as a second language in India. Discuss how did lesson plan help teacher to teaching. Prepare a micro lesson plan of class 1 to 5 or 6 to 8 for any one topic from prescribed English textbook on any one of the 5 skills. Prepare macro lesson plan for any lesson of class 1 to 5 or class 6 to 8. Prepare an achievement test of 20 marks including a blueprint on any topic from the English textbook of class 3 to 8. আমাদের ইংলিশের সাজেশন এখানে শেষ হলো। বাকি বিষয়ের সাজেশনগুলি আমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি এই চ্যানেলে আপলোড করব। তার জন্য সেগুলি পেতে হলে আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখতে হবে। ধন্যবাদ।